Hi, this is Tweetie. We have links down in the description and plenty of playlists for you. Today we're talking about attitude and how you can work it in with your creativity. Our linear thinking and tech-driven world is rapidly extinguishing right brain thought, and that is horrible. Our creative forces need to be ablaze at all times and should never be put out. Make it a game to see how you can, different ways you can build a barbecue. See how many times you can find edible foods as you're just walking through the park. Think about different fun things that you can collect, items of interest as you're walking through a park, and what you can do with them afterward. There's so many ways to think about your survival skills in a more positive and fun way. Get a book on activities that you can do that are teaching while having fun. There's so many things to do to increase your creativity and your fun side of life. If you've enjoyed this tip, give us a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you'll get notified every time we post something new, if that's what you choose. Anyway, thank you for dropping by. Have a blessed day. Angels all around.